What is up, beautiful people? Today I have a little try on for you guys and a review on this brand. So this is called EBY, which stands by Empowered by You. It's pronounced EB. This is from Renata, I'm hoping that I'm pronouncing that, Renata Black and Sofia Vergara, who I adore. So I jumped on this when the brand reached out to me. I am a little self-conscious. I've gained a little 10 to 15 pounds that most people have gained during quarantine, but I just feel like everyone's in the same boat, right? Is it me? Anyways, I also really like that this brand stands for, you know, a purpose. They give 10% of their proceeds to women creating small businesses to help them give loans to women who are creating small businesses. So I thought that that was amazing. And they do have kind of like a monthly subscription. I'll try to put the information down below, also their website down below if you're interested in subscribing or just purchasing some undies and some comfortable bras from them. I will be showing you guys here to the side me actually trying these on so you guys can kind of see what the fit feels like. I did get a large and I am not one to wear like a thong. I am nearing 40 and I am all about comfort, okay? So I feel like these are super comfy. I got the brief style and the high-waisted style, so those are gonna be the two styles that you're gonna see, and also one of their bras, which their bra is life. Their bra is one of those like I could sleep in bras. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and talk a little bit about the underwear. It's seamless, so there's no panty lines. It has like the softest material ever. It has a no slip grip, so it has on the sides kind of like this extra, almost like it feels like almost like velvety strips on the inside that help hold it in place, which I really enjoyed. So what it helps is with no slipping down, no bunching, no riding up, and makes you wear your undies very comfortable. They also are size inclusive, so they have from extra small all the way to 4X, so everyone and their mother can buy one of these. And also the chart size is true to size. I'm around like a size 12 in jeans and I got large sent to me and they fit perfectly. So I would definitely go based on your measurements and what your size is for the sizing. And then the last thing is that they are cotton lining. So their sanitary cotton lining helps to whisk away moisture and promote vaginal health because when nobody wants some infections up in there, right? Anyways, they do have a fit guarantee and they want you to be happy. So if you're unhappy with your fit, you are able to return them or get your money back. And also the 10% that they give for the proceeds that I was talking about is for the 7-bar foundation. And as I said, they help give low interest loans in small amounts to support women starting their own businesses. And they do have a membership, so you can become a member and get 3 panties every 3 months sent to you. They do give you this at a 15% off a discount, or you can buy directly on their website depending on what you want to do, if you just want to try them out or if you want to subscribe to them and kind of get them regularly sent to you so that way you can like clean out that drawer and put new ones in. And now I'm going to show you guys what they come in. They come in these little cartons like this. The little, what is this called? Like a little lightning bulb. You can see the print through there. And then on the back it tells you the style, for example, high-waisted, and the color and the size. And I thought that these were super cute, very conscious as far as being able to recycle them, which is always nice instead of like plastic bags, you know, little cartons like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys me trying them on here to the side. At the same time, I'm gonna show you the panties. And here are the black high-waisted ones. And as you can see, just totally, completely seamless. I love high-waisted stuff, especially if you have like a little bit of a mommy pooch. That helps just kind of bring everything in for you and just kind of like you know, puts it all together, if you know what I mean. Next up is this cute little kind of polka dot-ish kind of print. And here I'm gonna be able to show you guys why it is that they don't ride up, why they stay in place. And it's because of this little velvety kind of material that they have on the waistband. It also comes down the sides on the inside right there and all around the edges, as you can see there. And that is what helps keep everything in place, so that way it's not riding up, it's not falling down, it's just where it needs to be. And then the last two style are their briefs, and likewise the same thing on the inside. These are just shorter, so they don't go all the way up above the belly button. These come a little, like probably like 2 to 3 inches down from the belly button. And then this last pair is the leopard, and I thought that these were super cute as well. And they do have colorful ones. I just really gravitate more towards darker shades. I don't know why that is. The very last thing that I'm gonna show you guys is their bralette, which, oh my God, these are so freaking comfortable. And I do have a very wide back. I'm 38C, and so I got the extra large. Just like any bra, you can adjust it here, and this is what it looks like. This is one of their bralettes, and you guys are gonna be actually seeing me wear it on the side. This is so freaking comfortable. I can't even tell you. I can't wait to be able to wear this underneath my uniform because this is just so freaking comfortable. I got this sent probably like 3 days ago, so I was able to wear it, but I haven't worn it to work yet because these are my days off. But this is so comfortable. It does have like a padding here, so you won't be showing any nips or anything like that. But this is just the most comfortable little bralette. I don't know if they have like a strapless one, but this just stays in place. I just absolutely love it. I love that this is wide around here, so it kind of like takes that little side fat and like your back fat and just like molds it and makes it just super, super comfortable. I can't even tell you how impressed I am with this little bralette. It is $44. I think for members it's around like 30 something dollars. And to me, that's totally worth the price point. I know that there are other brands where their bras are very expensive. They could be like $40 to $50 or even more, and you're literally in a torture chamber. So this, I can't even tell you how highly I recommend these undies and bras. Super comfortable. If you're somebody like me that just wants comfort, you just, you know, you don't really need to look sexy 24/7 underneath your clothes. You just want to be comfortable, and I feel like this brand does that. So I'm highly impressed. I really want to subscribe to their subscription because that way you're constantly like getting new undies in, and I think that they're just so cute. They have cute little patterns as well. I know I think like little pineapples, different ones. You can definitely check them out on their website down below, and I do really highly recommend them. I really enjoyed wearing these and also just trying them out. The bra for me, oh my God, I can't even tell you. I literally just want to sleep in it. It's just so comfortable. Yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. Let me know if you guys are interested in this, what your thoughts are. Have you tried it? What are your thoughts? I'd love to hear from you down below. Let me know if you guys want to see more try on fashion hauls as well. I'd love to do those for you. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.